everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Snow White set. I got inspired by the Mickey set that I did. There were some Disney princess foils in that same foil box, so I just decided I want to do some Snow White nails. So I'm just showing a little bit of my prep. I just removed the cuticles with the gel. Go in and push the cuticles back and clip the cuticles. I did have some footage of me using the cuticle bit to go around the cuticles. I don't know what happened to that. So yeah, but I do have that in my previous videos. I show the bit that I use for the cuticles. So I'm gonna do the lazy girl method here. I'm just putting some base coat, and then I'm using this really pretty blue glitter that I got from Michaels. And I'm just putting the glitter on top of the base coat, just making sure I get it nice and covered. And then I'll flash cure that for a few seconds. And then after I do that, I'll go in with some more base coat just to seal in the glitters. So I did go ahead and do the same thing with the thumb. I used the blue glitter. Now I'm going in with the Burano 3-in-1, little bit thicker base gel. I'm just going to use that to put these glitters that are from the Ocean Couture decoration set from Makartt. I love that glitter set. It's so pretty, so many pretty colors. But I just wanted to use a thicker base coat because these glitters are a little bit chunkier. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the nail, make sure there's no clear showing through, and then I'll go ahead and flash cure that, and then I'll add some more base coat on top of the glitter just to seal all the glitters in. So I'm trying this peel off base coat from Makartt. I'm not sure how to say it. Got it from Amazon. I saw it on Rose 318's channel. She said it was really good. So you just apply it to each nail and then you cure it for 30 seconds. So I'm curious to see how long they'll stay on. And then I'm going in with some base coat from Enailcouture. And I'm just applying a coat of that to each nail, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So now I'm going in with this polygel. I'm going to be using the blue and the yellow from the House of Florist polygel kit from Makartt. So I'm just going to be placing the polygel in those glitter nails and just pressing them down, making sure to cover the entire nail. And then I'll place it on my finger and flash cure it for a few seconds. And then once I apply all the nails with the polygel, I'll go ahead and cure it for a full 60 seconds. So I'm using the bubblegum gel in clear from Enailcouture. This was my first time using it and I really liked it. I just scooped a little bit out of the pot to the cuticle area, and I just kind of pushed it down with my finger just to get it kind of away from the cuticle so it doesn't spill out. And then I just placed it down, pressed down till it got to the end of my nail, and there was no bubbles, and yeah, I really liked it. Now here comes the fun part, putting all the decorations. So I'm going to be putting these teardrop shaped red rhinestones on the pinky. I was trying to go for the look that she has on her sleeves. She has like blue sleeves with these red little teardrops. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to be making a bow out of 2 heart rhinestones. I just put them facing each other and it forms a bow. And then on the middle finger, I'll be putting an apple charm that I made out of the molds from Amazon. And then the pointer finger, I'm going to be using a foil. And then the thumb, I'll be placing 3 of the teardrop rhinestones. So here I'm going to be placing the foil on. I just cut out the piece that I wanted, and then I'm going to be using the Makartt nail foil glue. So I just applied not a thin layer, not thick, just a pretty medium amount, and then I cure that for 60. After I cured it, I just left my finger there to set for about 30 seconds or so. And that really helped. I was so surprised that the foil worked. Sometimes, I struggle with the foil, so I was so glad that this finally worked. So yeah, I think once you wait, after you apply the foil glue, after it's cured, if you wait like a little bit longer than 30 seconds, the foils stick really, really good. This is the finished look here. I love how they turned out. That blue glitter is just gorgeous. Thank you guys for all your support, comments, likes. I really appreciate it. You guys are so amazing and encouraging. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.